In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the advanced trading platforms MetaTrader 5 and TradingView. We'll explore the unique features, strengths, and best use cases of each platform, empowering you with the knowledge to choose the one that suits your trading needs best. When it comes to sophisticated trading, MetaTrader 5, or MT5 as it's commonly known, stands out as a highly capable platform designed for professional traders. It's particularly suited for those requiring advanced tools for executing trades, automating strategies, and connecting directly to brokers. With MT5, you're armed with the capability to utilize expert advisors, helping automate your trading based on specific algorithms. This platform supports multiple order types and offers access to a wide array of financial markets, including Forex, stocks, and futures. It's a robust solution for traders who need precision in their operations and who value efficiency and control in their trading process. On the other hand, TradingView emerges as a modern, web-based platform distinguished by its clean, intuitive charts and strong community features. It's developed with visual appeal and accessibility in mind across various devices, making this platform perfect for newer traders or anyone valuing ease of use. With TradingView, you can perform in-depth technical analysis and create custom indicators using PineScript, a versatile scripting language. Sharing and exchanging trading ideas with others is seamless, fostering a sense of community and collaboration among traders. It's particularly appealing to those who prioritize having a clean, visual overview of markets and appreciate the collective wisdom that comes from engaging with a community of peers. Both platforms have their distinct advantages. MT5 excels in execution speed and automation, making it the preferred choice for serious algorithmic traders or anyone needing features closely tied with broker connectivity. Meanwhile, TradingView shines with its comprehensive charting tools and social interaction capabilities. It's an excellent choice for beginners and analysts alike, or anyone who places great importance on visual clarity and community insights. When choosing between MT5 and TradingView, consider your primary needs as a trader. If your focus is on automated trading, accessing diverse financial markets, and maintaining a deep connection with brokers, MT5 is likely your best fit. However, if you value a straightforward, visually pleasing platform and the ability to interact with the community, TradingView deserves your attention. Whichever platform you choose, both support your journey towards more informed and potentially successful trades. Remember, the best platform is one that caters directly to your trading objectives and enhances your overall experience. So, take your time exploring both, weigh your priorities against the unique strengths of each, and make an informed decision that aligns with your trading ambitions.